Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet flower vase designs is a decorative item created by crocheting yarn into the shape of a vase or a cover. For an exciting vase, it combines the craft of crochet with home decor, giving a handmade, cozy and artistic touch to floral arrangements or tabletop styling. Here are the main forms it can take. Crochet vase cover. Make the slip over a glass jar, bottle or ceramic vase. Adds texture, pattern and color to plain vase. Often worked with lace spaces, brand scars or ribbed textures. Crochet vase fully crocheted. The vase itself is crocheted with yarn, often stiffened with strass, glue or resin to keep its shape. Sometimes include a plastic or glass inside to hold real flowers. Can also be used purely as a decorative piece without water. Mini crochet flower vase, tiny vases, often paired with crochet flowers for decoration on shelves, tables, or as gifts. Sometimes used as keychains or ornaments. Crochet vase with built-in flowers. Both the vase and the flowers are crocheted, making a complete, overlasting arrangement, popular for gifts, weddings, or seasonal decor. Styling and uses. Rustic farmhouse tables paired with chat flowers, vintage or cottage-style slips, minimalist boho rooms, using neutral yarns like jute, cotton, or raffia. Seasonal themes: white or red for Christmas, pastel for spring, etc. A crochet flower vase design is loved because it blends craftsmanship, creativity, and homely warmth, turning simple yarn into an artistic decorative piece. Here are some more tips for crochet flower vase designs that will make them both stylish and practical. Design and creativity tips. Experiment with patterns. Use granny scars, lace stitches or ribbing to create different textures. Lacy stitches look romantic while tighter stitches look modern. Play with colors. Neutral tones like beige, cream or white give a cottage or farmhouse look, while bright colors, red, yellow, green, make it cheerful and bold. Add decorative details. Crochet mini bows, applique flowers or even tassels, and attach them to the vase cover for extra charm. Try ombre or striped hairs. Multicolor yarn can give a beautiful gradient effect without needing to change yarns often. Practical tips. Use a sturdy base. If you are making a stand-alone vase, insert a glass, tin can or plastic bottle inside to keep it upright. Stiffen the yarn. For a vase without a base, use fabric stiffener, scratch, or gelatin glue to harden the crochet and help it hold its shape. Choose the right yarn. Cotton yarn works best. Durable, washable, keeps shape well. Jute or hemp gives a rustic farmhouse feel. Flower arrangement tips. Mix crochet and real flowers. Use crochet as a decorative vase cover and fill with fresh special thread flowers. Crochet matching flowers. Make crochet roses, tulips or daisies to pair with your vase. Mini vase sets. Create small matching vases with different spaces and group them as a centerpiece. Creative uses. Gift idea. Crochet a vase with flowers include a breaker bouquet that never fades. Seasonal decor. White and silver for winter, pastel for spring, bold colors for summer, earthy tones for autumn. Upcycle jars and bottles. Cover old jars with crochet to turn them into eco-friendly teak vases. A crochet flower vase is not just decor, it can tell a story for creativity, warmth and style. Crochet technique tips. Use different stitch heights. Alternate single, half double and double crochet stitches to create bands of texture. Try overlay crochet or mosaic crochet. These techniques add patterns that look like open or tiled designs. Incorporate beads or sequins. Adding small beads into ear stitches gives the vase a sparkling accent. Experiment with open work. Use chain spaces and mesh stitches for an airy lace effect that shows off the vase inside. Design and style tips. Mix materials. Combine yarn with twine, jaffia or ribbon for a boho or rustic look. Neutral plus bold mix. Crochet the vase in a soft neutral and add a bold colored flower band for contrast. Constructing easy. Finish the top of the vase with the scallops, picots or ruffles for a romantic touch. Geometric patterns, stripes, chevrons or hexagons can give a modern twist. Flower and display tips. Layer heights. Make tall, medium and mini crochet vases to display together as a set. Theme year flowers. Roses for vintage, daisies for cottage style, sunflower for rustic farmhouse. Use crochet leaves and greenery. Don't just crochet flowers. Add vines, leaves and stems for a natural look. Always line crochet only vases with glass or plastic if you can plan to use real flowers with winter so the crochet stays safe and dry. Thanks for watching this video.